do? I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Hanoi. Now I will tell a story too much work. Today Tiger is a hunter. He puts on his hunting hat. He pops up his skull. He makes his eyes big. He makes his body small. He makes his paws grip. He makes his tail lie flat. His eyes see strips. His eyes see a tiger. His body gets smaller. His paws get ready to jump. Jump! The tiger flies away. Tiger thinks, too much work. Time for